King tide occurs when the tides reach their highest and lowest levels of the year. King tide at low reveals an array of reef inhabitants like clams, snails, lots of limpets, mussels, barnacles, and sea anemones. This event happens when the moon aligns with the sun, and the sun's position is closest to the earth. This creates a cumulative gravitational force which pulls the ocean to its extremes. The result is the king tide. Experts are currently studying king tides at high tide to predict future sea level rising. If you happen to snap a photo of the king tide at high, you can submit it to the California King Tides Project using the link and hashtag #KingTides on social. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, follow, and subscribe.